In this video, I want to demonstrate how to take content from last year's summer course and bring it into your upcoming summer course within As You Learn. So when you first log in, there are several blocks within As You Learn. The top one is Recently Accessed Courses, and that means you've clicked on them recently. This next block is called the Course Overview block, and this can have multiple views depending on what you prefer. So when you go to Course Overview, you may be seeing all your courses, but you can toggle this and say In Progress. In Progress means the sections that are going on right now. And you can also toggle it to say Future. And then it's going to show you all the courses that are coming up. So this is going to show you right now summer and also fall. And sometimes these titles can be cut off. So if you're experiencing that, you may want to toggle from card to summary, and that way you get the complete title of the course. So I know I'm going to be teaching this 2410 course coming up this summer, and right now it's a blank course, and I taught it a year ago. So when I look through all my courses, I don't see it, and that's because you have to go down here below to My As You Learn sites. And when I click on this link, Fall 2018 through Summer 2019, and scroll through here, here is where I can see the courses that I've taught in the past. So let's say here is the course and I want to back it up and bring it in. What you do is go to the course with the content, and then you're going to click under the gear and go to backup. Once you come here, just scroll down and click Jump to Final Step. What this is going to do is make a complete backup of the course, so you'll have all the content, and it depends on the size of the course how long this takes. Eventually you should see the green banner that the backup was successfully created, so click the blue Continue button. When you come down here you can see the course, and you can double check the date and the time and see how big it is. And what I'm going to recommend is that you click Download. And then you just need to save it in a spot where you can find it again. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop. So now I've successfully downloaded that file. So what comes next? If you scroll to the top, I had to go to an old server to get to this, and I see this banner As You Learn Past, but I can click this link right here to go to the current version of As You Learn. And then what I'm going to do is simply locate the course that's coming up this summer that's blank, and that's where I want to restore it to. So I'm just going to click on that site. Here's the course, and I'm going to go under the gear and choose Restore. Now I saved this on my desktop, so all I have to do literally is just drag and drop the file and upload it. And depending on the size of the course, it can take just a moment. You know the file has completely uploaded once the black text becomes blue, and then you just click Restore. Once you click Restore, there's a few more clicks. This begins the restore process. You're just going to scroll to the bottom. It shows you essentially what's in that file. Come to the bottom of the page, click Continue. Here you have the option to merge or to delete everything and start over. I'm just going to merge it. It was a blank course. I just want to add to it. I'm going to hit the blue Continue button. Then I click Next. And here again, I'm just going to scroll to the bottom, click Next, scroll to the bottom, and click Perform Restore. After clicking Perform Restore, you should see this green block telling you you're all set. Just hit the blue Continue button. And that pops you into your course. You should be in the one that's upcoming here for summer 2020, and all the content should be there. Thanks.